Hello everyone, my name is Jim, and today I'm going to show you a project that I have done last year. So it's called Krispyto, and it is a crypto dashboards that have um price change, current price, the price on that day, and the 24 hours trading volume, about different cryptocurrency. And it is a full stack development project, so it includes a backend API server and a front-end web server and a database. So they were all deployed or hosted on AWS. However, it's costing me too much money, so I just hosted hosting the database Amazon Web Service right now. So yeah, let's have a look about the database. So here is a Krispyto database on Amazon RDS, and the engines we are using is PostgreSQL. And you might wonder where the data came from. So the data is not from any API endpoints or any websites. It's actually is historical data from a Google Drive, and it's just called crypto dataset C file. And as you can see, there are different coins um, in the files, and they are all just historical data. So did, what I have done is actually just download the file and also pre-process it and transfer or import into the Amazon RDS database. So yeah, let's have a look about, let's have a look on web server. Sorry, the API server. So they are two different type of endpoints. One is dashboard and one is search. They are both using get method, and for the dashboard it has um, ID, date, order by, order type as parameters. And for the search endpoints, it's very simple. You just need the name. So what such endpoint does is just want to make sure that um, we have the coins, the currency in our database. So let's run the code. And before we start the API server, I would like to show you the test I have written. So I just use PyTest, and as you can see, all 10 cases are passed. So let's see what I have written. TestDB, um, in the TestDB file, we can see test database connection to make sure it's connecting to our um, remote database. And also we can check whether the database is empty and it's actually has having data in there. So if we don't have the data, I will run a script to download the file from Google Drive and also import to the database. And I also wrote several uh, API testing. And as you can see, this the asserts um, method I would like to check whether it's give us the value I want to show. So yeah, so let's run this server. Great. It is running on localhost post 5000. So let's see localhost 5000. And yeah, as you can see, the parameter is using ID and also the dates. And because it's historical data, so if we um, have a 2024 data, it's probably not there. So yeah, it just give us error. So let's change it back to 2021. And we can also do the multi-search. So let's have 18 here. You can see there are two results as we expected. We also can change the auto type. So we can change to ascending. So yeah, I believe, yeah, it's doing the right thing. And also we can change the ID to O. So it will give us O currency in our database for the dates and order by the price and sorting by ascending. So what ideas can help us to um let's let's just handle at the back end. So the front end don't need to do anything about sorting and also thing. And yeah, let's talk about the technology that I use for the server. So I use Python. It's written by Python and the framework is Flask. And as I have mentioned, it was deploying on Amazon ECS and it's just using RESTful API. And what I also use Swagger and also Postman to do some testing when I developing. Um, yeah, this migration that I have mentioned. There is test cases. And also I use Docker since I would like to use AWS Fargate. I need to create an image, and I believe it is a good practice to um develop projects. And I also use virtual environments for Python because, as we know, the version of Python can be a little bit tricky. So in this way, I can make sure the version of different package is consistent. Yeah. And let's um go see our web server. So the technology I use for the front end is JavaScript and React.js. I also use several libraries and plugin like Font Awesome, CoinGecko, Material UI, Notice Stake as the snack bar. Oh, yeah. mm, Let's run the front end. Yeah, so as you can see, the data has been sorted out and displayed on the dashboard. So let's try we sorting by price. So now it's descending and now it's ascending. And as you can see, the snack bar always show on the left bottom left corner. And we also can change sorting by 7 day uh, change rates. And let's see the dates, the price on different dates. So it's changing. And however, if we go to the dates that have no data, it will give us a warning. So invalid value for date. And right now we can try the search function, the search bar. Yeah, which is good because it's redirect to direct to the Bitcoin BTC dashboard. However, we have no external dashboards right now because they are decrypted. And fortunately, I have screenshots um, the dashboard. So it should look something like this. And this were from CoinGecko, but I think they are not supporting the API anymore. So yeah, and let's try a different currency. Unknown, so it will also say no currency found with name or symbol unknown. Okay, let's go back to the home page, and if we just manually type a random string in our URL, this will give us an unknown page, non-found page for info 404. Okay. I also create a simple responsive design, so just have a look on the footer and the left bar. So as you can see, the footer become more concise, and the left bar have been changed by the older. Yeah, sorry, I'm not a UI UX designer, so I don't know how to make a very design front end. But yeah, I think that's all. And if you have any question or if you are really interested into certain technology, please feel free to reach out. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you in next video.